Hello, and welcome to an 802 Adam Biz. We created this site to help businesses and entrepreneurs build their current site offerings with new, modern, and high-quality relevant courses. Whether you want to add more customer service materials to your LMS or add to your personal courses that focus on self-help studies, this site offers some great courses for you to consider. We have an extensive catalog with over 20 courses to pick from below. When you scroll down, you'll find an almost overwhelming list of options to sort through. This is why we've added our interruptive AI system as Hugh to help. We've been working hard at teaching our AI everything we know about the courses with a vision that it can help amazing clients like you quickly find a course that can relate to their site. While it may not be perfect yet, we are getting very close. Simply chat about what your site theme is and what you are looking for. And the AI system will not only propose a course, but also give you a direct link to the course. Each of our courses have the same spec sheet layout and all come with a custom 2 to 3 minute overview video.
Welcome to our course preview video titled Imposter Syndrome, What It Is and How to Overcome It.
Then we have the syllabus, which includes an estimated course seat time and the course chapters. If you scroll down a little more, you'll see more details about this specific course before ever opening it up. If this course piques your interest, remember that we are showing the base model and can certainly transfer the course as is to your site, or we can customize it while using your own content to make it even more relevant to your site visitors. To view the site, simply click the View This Course link on the top of the page, and without any signups, you'll be well on your way to experiencing the course for yourself. It can't be stressed enough that Adam provides a full white glove service in customizing and ensuring all courses will work with your site. When you have time, Adam can review your needs and develop a custom quote through Fiverr to ensure your satisfaction every step of the way.